Welcome back. Well, this month is National Mental Health Awareness Week, and to honor it this week, Optum Idaho and Idaho Resilience Project teamed up with local organizations and schools to promote healthy outcomes from positive experiences, also known as HOPE. And joining us this morning live in studio is Optum Idaho's Executive Director, Georgianne Benjamin. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
It's great to be here in person.
Before we talk about Hope Week, let's talk about Mental Health Awareness Month. Tell me a little bit more of what that month means and why it's important.
Yeah, I mean, just focusing on one's mental health as well as those around us is so critically important, and today more than ever. So the month of May is really about that focus on mental health awareness and just, making sure that you're having those positive conversations with people and really focusing on having that balance between mental health and physical health. And in a recent statewide study, 81% of Idahoans indicated that they know somebody suffering from some type of mental health issue, either substance use or just, severe anxiety and just, what we've been through, especially the last couple of years, has impacted all of us. So just more awareness on our mental health.
Yeah, well, let's talk about Hope Week. What does it mean? Why are we celebrating it?
Yeah, so Hope Week is so exciting, and as you said, it really, is about, healthy outcomes from positive experiences. So really what we're trying to promote is by adults focusing on their mental health and working with children to just engage in healthy activities outside and just having fun and just, talking with one another and just, being aware of what's going on around you.
And you guys have partnered with schools and just different local organizations. So what were the events this week?
Yeah, so the theme of Hope Week is bikes, hikes, and kites. So Optum donated over 20,000 kites statewide and working with schools and libraries and church groups and just, really encouraging, like I said, those healthy activities and being with our children and just enjoying, being outside and having fun.
So how did schools participate?
They got their students involved, and we had one school that over 500 kites were being flown by all the children outside. And, again, it's just about having fun and just taking time to focus on our mental health.
And you have the kites right here.
I
want to
do.
show them off
Yeah.
because they're really nice. I love them. So again, what's the theme this year?
Bikes, hikes, and kites.
And
So
this is why we have this here. This is really nice.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's a great project. So is there anything else that we should know about this project that we haven't already covered?
just again, by we as adults focusing on our mental well-being, we better help our children focus on theirs. And it really is about taking the time, being outdoors, and just enjoying one another, and just having more mental health awareness.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for being here. We really do appreciate
Yeah,
the initiative and you being here as well. So thank you.
Well,